Now children, we will see about fog, dew and frost. When the condensation or solidification of water vapor in atmosphere occurs near Earth's surface, then we can see fog, dew and frost. So these are the type of precipitation which happen above the Earth's surface. Understood? When the condensation or solidification of the water vapor in the atmosphere occurs near Earth's surface, then we can see fog, dew or frost. So this is very peculiar or very common characteristic during winter season. Understood? Because of solidification of water, because due to minimum temperature of the atmosphere, so we can witness fog, dew and frost. What is fog? Now we'll see. The temperature of layers of air near surface of Earth reduces due to less temperature, minimum temperature. As temperature reduces, water vapor condenses. In this process, vapor turns into microscopic water particles and float in the air because it became very light. When the density of these droplets in the air increases, fog occurs. Understood? When the density of these droplets in the air increases, fog occurs. Now, this is how fog occurs in our atmosphere. We can see in the early morning in the winter season, we can see fog. Now, Nagpur is also witnessing light fog during early morning. Now, we'll see dew. When moisture-laden air near the Earth's surface comes into contact with very cold objects, condensation of the vapor takes place. They turn into very small water droplets. These water droplets stick to the surface of cold objects. This is called dew. Understood? I told you in the previous first page of this lesson that when the moisture-laden air near the Earth's surface comes in contact with very cold objects, condensation of that water vapor takes place because temperature is very minimum, and these water vapor turns into very small water droplets. These water droplets stick to surface if the temperature is very less, so we can see very cold objects or the surface is very cold, then the water droplets stick to that cold object. This is called dew. So we can also witness dew in the early morning above the grass or any leaves. Now we'll see frost. If the temperature of the air is less than 0 degree, the water droplets stuck to the surface of cold object freeze. This frozen water droplets called frost. So this frost type of situation we can witness, we can see in the early morning in the northern area of our country, northern part of our country. So this is very common feature in the plains of Himalayas. Dew and frost occur on a large scale in winters. Understood? So these are the features which we can witness during winter season. Understood? So fog, dew and frost. So these are the these are nothing but the condensation or solidification of water vapor in the atmosphere due to minimum temperature. Children, we should know that when the temperature is minimum, so the water droplet which is present in the atmosphere, they start condensation is there. Understood? Due to minimum temperature, the water vapor turns into dew, fog and frost. So we can witness all these things, all these features during winter season. Understood?